everyone. Today I want to acquaint you with some of the features of Google. When you open a Gmail account and you click over here, you get a few features. Let's see some of the important features. I think most of you know about the maps and the YouTube and Meet. This is a drive, as most of us know, where all our files get stored up. This When we go further down, we get this Google Docs and Google Sheets and Google Slides. Now, and here is the Google Classroom. Before getting into the Google Classroom, I want to first give you the importance of Google Slides and Google Docs and Google Sheets initially. Now, these are the two documents. This is a Word document form and this is an Excel sheet form on which you can work at a time with different members, and you can add and edit the same file at the same time. And on the other hand, there are several other features related to it. So let me first click on Google Doc and open this. There's another way to do it. When you click when you go to the Google browser and you click on and you just type Google Docs, your Google document will come. Or Google Doc, whatever. It will automatically come here. Okay, docsgoogle.com. This is the one. But now, since we have opened our Gmail account, so we'll come from here directly from this, and we click on this plus sign. That is for a new document. Now, this Google Doc gives you all the features more or less of the Word document, but there are certain advantages of a Google Doc which you don't have in case of Word document. Here, there are several options. For example, the way you type and all is the same thing, what you do in Google document. But over here, you can use a few tools. What are the tools here? When you click on this, you get this voice typing option, wherein you can type a document by dictating it. You click on this document and it becomes red. Okay. Now you click on here and then you type. For example, you write hello, hello. Yeah, allow your microphone, sorry. Hello. Yeah. See, so it's typing the way I did. So it's just that I'll just switch off the microphone. This is one very good feature wherein sometimes you don't feel like typing. You can just dictate and the computer will take it in. This other thing which is this translate document. For example, I write a line over here. Say for example, this is an amazing piece of work. Now I want to translate this. So what I do is I just click on to this tools and translate document. I have to name the translated document. Say for example, I name it as, say maybe in Bengali, I type it. You choose the language and then you translate. See, এটি একটি আশ্চর্যজনক কাজ. So the document is automatically been translated. So now you have to save it again. It's already named that way. Now our former document which we originally had opened is still unnamed, so we have to name it. Say for example, we name it as our Google Doc 1. Okay, I have to name it. Now, uh, there are other tools to it. Say, for example, I I can even, like, for example, I can use this. Suppose this is a document. If I want to download the document, I have to I have different options. I can download it um, to my device as a Word document or a PDF document or whatever form it may be. I can email as it as an attachment to anybody if I want, and I can make it available offline. And this is a version history. Version history means it makes you see whatever editing has been done in the past to the document. Okay, this is rename, and this is if you want to move it somewhere else. Here you find, look here, document details. See, you have different language options over here, right? Different options, like whichever language you prefer, you will have it accordingly. There are several other options over here as well. Say if you want to insert an image, you want to insert a link, you want to add a comment, or aligning and all these bold and all italics font, these are all more or less like Google, uh, just Word document, and bulleted list and etc. All these things you can do. Highlight, color, all that you can do. Okay, there are a few add-ons, add-ons, that is, you can add a few features to this if you want. Some advanced features are available, like the these types, when you find these formats are available, and you can just get any one of them, and you get the same format. When you type it in there, you get it. This is in the G Suite marketplace, it's available. Now, see, it's showing that it was edited 2 minutes ago. Now, the best part of it is, like, if I want to share this document, now this document is private only to me, but if I want to share this document, what I can do is, it gives me two options. One is either I can send it by mail to somebody with whom I want to do a work. Say, for example, you're publishing a joint paper, and both the authors can share the same document. So in that case, you can directly type the email ID of your co-author over here, and or this yeah, and sorry, and click done over there and send it. That is, um, you send it to that person, and that person receives a mail wherein that person can share your document. Here there are a few options. Say, for example, I give it to, say, for example, I give it to, say, it's preferred if you give it to somebody with a Gmail ID. So, uh, I give it to this person. There are a few options over here, like editor, whether you want the person to just see it, whether you want the person to comment on it as well, or whether you want the person to edit it. So you can simultaneously edit on a document. Okay, and then finally, what you do is just click send. So it goes, the same person can share it, it goes to his mail, right? The other option that you get over here is get a link. Get link, restricted only to people who gets the link. Now, if I click on get a link, there are a few options. This is the link, this is the exclusive link that is there attached to my document. I can share this link with anybody I want, any specific person, and only those people with whom I share the link, by copying the link and pasting it in the mail or in the WhatsApp, they will get it. Here I have to change the option anyone with the link. Okay, so in that case, whether the person gets to view it or edit it or comment it, whatever it is on it, I can give the option accordingly, right? So this is how you can share a Word document with another person, and you can simultaneously work on it. There are a few more advanced options to this, like you can like as you can do voice typing in any other language. That is also, you choose the language and you do voice typing in any other language you want. That is also possible. You can write down on this with some other tool. That also you can do. And uh, you can insert special characters or drawings or charts, whatever, to this. You can do it. So this is basically a very different type of a document facility that Google gives you, and this can be readily helpful for us. Now the second thing which I want to show you is this feature, which is the Google Sheet. This is the same thing which is available in the form of an Excel sheet. Here again you can click on this and you can work on the Excel sheet, and similarly you can share it, you can post it on YouTube. In that case also you could have posted it on YouTube in the and this is you can post this on and you can share it with anybody and work on the Google Sheet Excel sheet simultaneously. Now one more thing which I need to tell you: when you click on this Google Docs this part, just a minute. When you click on the Google Docs doc, there are a few ready templates available. So also with the Excel sheet, these are the templates. Like in case of letter or resume or project proposal, you can click on any one of them and you can just about fill in those or and make changes and keep the format and reuse it whenever you want, so that you don't have to make the format again and again and write everything from top to bottom. So report or project or whatever, you can make one format, and there are several such formats available. Now the best part over here is whatever you create on this Google Doc or Google Sheet or whatever gets automatically, whatever version it is saved in your Google Drive. So you don't have to separately kind of you have to give it a name and it automatically gets saved. You don't have to separately save it. Well, of course, if you want to save it on into your in your device, then you have to download it and you have to save it. Otherwise it gets automatically saved in your Google Drive. Now these are the two important features which I talked about today. um, in my next video I'll talk about some other feature that we get with Google. Thank you so much.